What if I told you that in 2026, the biggest SEO advantage isn't just publishing more content? It's not about keyword stuffing either. It's about building an AI SEO powerhouse. Imagine a workflow where AI helps you research faster, optimize smarter, and track visibility in both traditional search and AI-generated answers. Because search has changed dramatically. People are not just clicking blue links on Google anymore. They're asking ChatGPT and using platforms like Perplexity for answers. The smartest marketers are adapting quickly. Tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs are shifting focus to visibility across traditional search and AI answers. So let's break down what an AI SEO powerhouse looks like in 2026. An AI SEO powerhouse is not a magic tool or one hack. It's a system where AI enhances 5 main areas: better research, smarter writing, deeper optimization, broader visibility tracking, and faster execution. That's the shift we're seeing. Unfortunately, many are still using AI in a weak way. They ask for blog posts, copy the output, and hope for traffic. That approach is lazy automation. The real power of AI lies in integrating it into your strategy. Let's discuss the first pillar: research. AI makes research easier. It speeds up keyword analysis and competitor comparisons, something that used to be very manual. Platforms like SEMrush and Ahrefs are evolving to focus on not just keywords, but also winning topics and AI citations. This smarter research workflow asks questions like, what gaps are competitors leaving and what questions are AI systems citing? Now on to the second pillar: content optimization. In 2026, strong optimization is about delivering clear and genuinely useful content for both search engines and AI. Surfer is an example of a platform focusing on visibility across multiple channels, including AI answers. The goal is no longer merely to rank. It's about discoverability across all environments. Your content should answer questions clearly, be well organized, and cover essential subtopics. This modern approach improves your chances of being referenced. Next, we explore the third pillar: AI visibility tracking. Old SEO focused mainly on keyword rankings. Now, tracking visibility in AI-generated answers has become essential. Platforms like Surfer are leading this revolution with features that track citations and source mentions. This shift prompts new questions. Am I being mentioned? Am I part of the answer? Now let's highlight the fourth pillar: workflow speed. The speed of execution can be a significant advantage. AI helps you move from ideas to execution faster without sacrificing quality. It helps you draft outlines, summarize competitor patterns, and convert research into actionable briefs quickly. Removing repetitive work allows for better focus on strategy and quality. Finally, we address the fifth pillar: the broader view of search. The SEO landscape has expanded beyond traditional methods. Brands now need to ensure visibility not only in search, but also in AI-driven answers. It's essential to think bigger. It's about your content appearing wherever people ask questions. But beware, there's a weak version of AI SEO to avoid. This involves mass-generating low-quality content and relying solely on automation. A powerhouse is selective, leveraging AI to enhance research and clarity without lowering standards. If I were building an AI SEO powerhouse in 2026, I'd use AI tools to quickly understand the competitive landscape, structure content effectively, and focus on clarity and intent. I'd track traditional rankings and AI visibility. Human judgment remains pivotal because AI can't replace the nuanced understanding of audience needs and quality. When it comes to tools, they typically fit into 3 buckets: visibility and competitive intelligence, content optimization, and broader AI assistance. A well-integrated system leverages these tools effectively. Remember, the AI SEO powerhouse is not about replacing SEO fundamentals, it amplifies them. You still need good topics, strong pages, and clear intent. AI enhances speed and visibility in a complex environment. So, for your takeaway, in 2026, successful AI SEO stems from smart tools, better workflows, and stronger judgment. It's not about spamming content or relying on tricks. The real AI SEO powerhouse is about using AI to gain insights, move faster, optimize better, and maintain visibility in modern search. Those who grasp this will have a significant edge. Now it's time for you to start building your AI SEO powerhouse.